Hi people. What is statistics? Is it too difficult to learn statistics? No, not at all. In this video, I will make you to use statistics in day-to-day work and data science. By definition, statistics is the technique or science of collecting, organizing, analyzing, interpreting and presenting the data. Where do you see statistic in real time? In a cricket match, to know the performance of the player? In weather prediction? Obviously more in business. Ooh. But data scientists must have a commanding knowledge in statistics. Types of statistics. Statistics are broadly divided into two categories. Number 1 is descriptive statistics. This is the easiest statistics, where you summarize or describe the data that is being collected. This can be in charts and graphs. Number 2 is the inferential statistics. This is mostly used by the statisticians, quality management professionals and data scientists. In this type, we generally have a huge data called population and from which we collect samples based on logic and study about the population using the sample collected. But with what would you describe or infer the data? You know very well that there will huge data in population and in sample. We start measuring our data using variables. Types of variables. Variables are mainly classified into two types. Number 1, qualitative variables. These variables are non-numeric data types. This qualitative variable is still divided into categories, namely, nominal and ordinal. Number 2 is quantitative variable. These are numeric data type and are still further classified into discrete and continuous variables. Nominal. Nominal data type is nothing but a non-numeric variable type, which does not contain any order or ranking or precedence. For example, gender is nominal data type, which has no ranking or precedence. And another example is the color. There is no order or ranking for the color. Ordinal. Ordinal variable type is a non-numeric type which contains order or ranking or precedence. For example, customer star rating. Quantitative variable type. Discrete. Any data that can be counted is called discrete. Imagine you have collected data from the population image shown in previous slides. If we have collected the nationality in this manner, we can't know much about it. Now if we organize in the below shown way, we get more clear picture of the crowd population. This type of data is called discrete data and this table is called frequency table. Here we can see that the data comprises the count of nationality. Continuous variable type. Continuous data is a type of numeric data, which can be measured. Now imagine you are collecting the height and weight of the people in the crowd of the population. This is called the continuous data type. Now let us get into the real purpose of statistics. For any process in an organization it occurs with a general formula. Y equals function of x's. Y is nothing but the output, which is the function of multiple inputs, x's. So any output variable also depends on the input variable. Thus, an output variable or dependent variable and input variables are called independent variable. For example, if outsales is the output, then your leads, area, products, salesman, product knowledge, price, etc. can be our input. Significance of statistics. Statistics is used mostly in problem solving, measuring and monitoring the processes. So whenever we approach a problem, we must follow the below steps. Identify a problem. Convert it into a practical problem, then formulate it as a statistical problem and then determine a statistical solution. Convert it as practical solution. We have seen basics of what statistics and its type. We have seen the data types. Frequency table. Statistical problem solving approach. In my next video, we will be seeing the properties of frequency table and measure of central tendency and dispersion. Stay tuned and subscribe this channel and your subscription would mean a lot to us.